Hello guys, I'm flying to my end farm because my Enderman farm because I need XP to fix up my Elytra. It's at 47%. And while I'm there, I guess I'll also fix up my diamond pickaxe. It's at 78. I'll see you guys at the end. I am so low on fireworks, but at least the things here. Here we are. Yay! Gotta go down the hole. Just land here first. Heal up. There's the silver machine. I'm calling that the silver machine. The silverfish spawn there. Now let's see how my Enderman farm is doing. Dang! Now that's a lot of Enderman. Now let me put that there. That on my offhand. Now I gotta heal all of this. Why are you mad at me? You're a bozo here. Uh-oh, I was trying to do my combo deal here. Bro! Please! Ain't no way I'm outside for no reason multiple times. Alright, lots of them right there. Yay! Ow! I'm gonna get some XP, then go back. Alright, here we go. Hopefully it loads in. Place I'm building out. That's the other hole. And here we go. The place I'm digging out. Oh yeah, I forgot there was iron here. Probably gonna dig this part out. I'm probably also gonna get fireworks. One, two, three. At least we found iron here, which is pretty good. And unexpected, but pretty good still. Ah, I got my shovel with me. Which gravel is there? Oh, lot going this way. Whoa. At least there's coal too. There's coal to cook up the iron. Nice. I guess a torch down here. Yep. Okay, with this efficiency pickaxe, it still feels slow, still. It's efficiency 5 and it still feels slow. Dang, come on. You don't gotta be this low. Well, I got up to level 25, which is pretty good. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get protection 4 on my pants. Probably off camera or on camera. I really don't care. That coal. I do gotta break all of this. If I start a live in the future, maybe. But then not many people would join. Here we go. More to mine. More to mine. Still not nighttime. I really want to kill some creepers so that I can get more fireworks. Need a way to get lots of gunpowder fast. So I also need to get glowstone from the nether. Now that I got any elytra, it'll probably be easy. Like explore the nether quicker and all that. Then yet again the XP is a problem, which quartz will fix. But what if it breaks above lava? I do need golden apples too. And right now, I do not know how to get apples quickly. Got lots of gold, but not that many apples. Problem. Turning into nighttime. Yay. More iron up there? That's cool. Alright, last layer. Then, I'm just gonna go get some gunpowder to get TNT. How much farther we go? Put the stuff back over there. I'm going to the top of the mountain. I'm not using any fireworks to get there. Watch this. No fireworks. No fireworks. Second person. Lower. A bit lower. Here we go. No way! I hit the curb. Wow, that's crazy. Ah, I forgot. The creeper exploded this up. So, apparently creepers spawn on top of my base. For some reason. I don't know why, but I guess they just want to say hi to me. And yeah. Here's the ores chest. Does flint count as an ore? Maybe, maybe not. I guess I'll cook this now. This other elytra. What enchantments do I have? I got 3 books, right? Any... No unbreaking, no unbreaking. Okay. Well, I'm gonna leave this cooking. And I do think I did leave something else cooking in one of these. Yup. I did. Bit of this. Well, I'm just gonna keep that there too. Then I'm just gonna... Bruh. Wrong thing. There we go. Leave that cooking. And now, I'm just gonna end off with killing creepers. And yeah, get that chunk up there. Yay, there's all of that. Bro, where are all the creepers at? Zombies, zombies, skeletons, skeletons. Baby zombie right after me. Where are all the creepers at? Yo. Okay, when I need creepers, there are no creepers. When I don't need them, there's so many after me. Finally, one over here. Two over here. God. Oh, you're far away. Okay, he hasn't exploded yet. Bro! Now I'm getting tagged. No! No! Did at least... Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. So bad at this. Lone skeleton. Spiders are good for webs. I can get strings, not webs. Ah! If there was a spider, there's also a creeper. One last hit. I'm putting my gunpowder down here. We already got 5. That's already 15 fireworks. You know, 5 times 3, 15. Ow. If you guys have watched this far, comment ow. Come at me, bro. You can't get me. Where the fuck are you going? Two? Really? Ow. Ow. I'm so hurt, guys. So hurt. I love watching my Ender Dragon fight video. Bro, how many times I fell from a high place and did not die was legendary. Ah, there's a creeper over here. Another one over there, but that's close to my farm. Okay. 7 gunpowder. Now where's that other creeper at? Wow, there was a creeper and it disappeared. That's crazy. At least there are spiders over here. No! Getting lots of string, but not that much gunpowder. Yo, that's like 30, right? I'll have 43 firework rockets, which isn't that much. I need to find more creepers. Like, forget all these skeletons, forget all these zombies. Come on. Yo, 2 more right there. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh, there's also coal. I guess I'll mine, because why not? 2. And then 3. Now here we go. Here's a creeper and I'm about to kill it. Yay. We got 15. Guess I'll mine the coal, cause why not? Got flipping fortune 1 on my pickaxe. Sadly. But I mean with the Enderman farm, I can probably get another pickaxe to fortune 3. Then use my anvil and combine it with this pickaxe. And then I'll get fortune 3 on this pickaxe. And then everything will be great. 3 creepers? I've never been so glad for them in my life. Nope! Please don't explode, bro. Come on, I'll survive your explosion. I won't survive the loss of gunpowder. Oh, he took fall damage? Dead. I called it. I called it. He was dead. Oh my god. No, bro. No. Come on. Lost that gunpowder? You really lost that gunpowder? Wow. That was crazy. Kinda low. My health is kinda low. Right here. Yo, I'm getting ganged up. All I wanna do is kill this homie. I wanna kill the homie, bro. Let me kill the homie. No. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, I'm actually getting lots more gunpowder than I thought I was gonna get. I'm gonna keep on killing these creepers. You guys are probably gonna see me in the daytime after I kill this creeper. Dead. No, bro. Come on. Okay, it's turning into daytime. Another creeper. Let's go. So 2 crits. No, I missed that crit because of the leaves. 1 dead. What? Did you really drop nothing? Dang. They aren't helpful. Alright, let's go. So what I need is just sugar cane. Oh, 2 more. I'll crit him out. 2 crits from my sword and they dead. I do. No way I missed him. No way I missed him. Now this one's gonna come after me. The knockback is terrible, bro. My sword knockback on these guys. Yo, did you guys see that? I was actually lucky. Yo, but that's not that lucky, because now I got a hole. Which is bad. I'm kind of low. Alright, they burning. We fine. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, never mind. Just put this here. Bro, don't you dare touch me. You about to die before you touch me. Never mind. You about to die before you touch me. Okay. Nope. Up here. Nope, there's paper in here. I just saw it for a brief second. Now fireworks. Oh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, I didn't notice there were so many arrows stuck inside me. Dang, that hurts. Time to get up here. No, wrong thing. I was trying to get my flippin' chest plate in hand. This. Stop my flight. That one up there. That there. Now, since it's paper, I'll put it in the wood section right here. Where is paper and wood. Mob wood. I'll just put that there. Put that there. I did get that from a mob. So put that there, that there, that there. And then I'm just gonna go. Nope. Put that in. Put that in. Put that in. But I got it. Never mind. Alright, that it? No, mob loot again. This spider eye, and that's it. Yeah. Hey. Well, now that was cool. Sliding and opening the door like that. Craziest thing ever. Which one of you guys doesn't have that much? You don't even have any. You got 47. Now let's see. How many levels would this give me? If I took it out. Come on. Alright, let's see. Okay, I'm at level 27. Well, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys loved the video. If you guys have watched all the way till the end, comment iron. Because why not? And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. And maybe give me a sub if you want to. And yeah. Alright. Bye-bye, guys.